Hey guys, welcome back to my hair series, and on this episode it's all about braid care. It is the season, it's the holiday season, and I believe this is the time that we braid the most as we prepare for our vacations and as we prepare to have a good time. Now for me, braid care starts way before I start braiding. Whether I'm washing my hair in the house or whether I'm washing my hair in the salon, I always make sure I have the right products. So don't be scared to carry your products to the salon because it's your hair. I used the leave-in treatment from TCB Naturals when I was washing my hair in the salon. I absolutely love this leave-in because of its intense moisture therapy. It's absolutely amazing. So thank God that the salon already had it, but I'd carried mine just in case. Another treatment that you can use way before you braid is their anti-dandruff treatment. Now, if you know you'll suffer from dandruff, please add this to your routine before you braid. It really helps, and if you want to know how to use the treatment well, make sure you watch my video that helps you know how to take care of dandruff. Now that your hair is already clean and you're ready to braid your hair, make sure that the person who's braiding your hair is very gentle on your scalp, is very gentle on your hair. Make sure that the braids you're getting are actually protective, whether it's locks, whether it's just cornrows, whether it's this type of twists. Make sure that the person knows what they're doing, and so that the protection doesn't go to waste, because your hair might already be damaged as you're braiding. So make sure the person knows what they're doing. So now that your hair is braided, you have to make sure that your scalp is very moisturized, otherwise it's going to be dry and it's going to be flaky. So what you're going to do is make sure you're using a moisturizer, a leave-in treatment, or a conditioner. So I personally use the leave-in treatment from TCB Naturals, of course, because I said it has a very intense moisture therapy. So I use this on my scalp. I apply it to make sure that my hair is always moisturized. If you know you're going to be in and out of the water, whether in the ocean or just in our normal swimming pools, it's important to really incorporate these products, especially the leave-in treatment, because salty water and chlorine will leave your hair very dry and your scalp very flaky. You know, the way you enter in the water and you've not moisturized, you've not applied any oil, the way you look ashy, that's how your hair is going to be. So please make sure you have carried this on your trips. Trust me guys, it's going to be very important. Please protect your hair during this vacation season. And now that your hair is moisturized, you always have to seal in the moisture, and for that I will be using the TCB Naturals coconut oil and argan oil. These two oils are lifesavers. I absolutely love them. They smell so good and they actually help your hair. So what I usually do is that I mix these two oils in my little trusty bottle that actually has a spraying mechanism. Such a bottle. If you've been watching my hair series, you've seen this before. So what happens is I put them all here, and it's easier for me to spray because my braids are actually so many. So this is a trick for you. You can just mix all in your oils here and just spray on your hair and go. So easy and so fast. Another thing that I actually incorporate is using their anti-dandruff spray. This anti-dandruff spray helps maintain your hair from having dandruff, and if your hair already has dandruff, you can use this spray to get rid of it. All you need to do is spray it overnight, and then you can wash it out the following day with the shampoo. So make sure you have this. This is a must-have, surely guys. You really do need this. And also, if you really want to make sure you're not having embarrassing moments when you're scratching your hair and dandruff is falling everywhere, make sure you also incorporate their hair food. This is their anti-dandruff hair food that I also showed you guys on my previous video on how to maintain your hair not having dandruff and preventing it. So make sure you also use this. And finally And finally is the TCB Naturals Sheen Spray. I absolutely love this spray. It leaves your hair looking shiny, lustrous, and just beautiful. And remember, all these things can also be used on your natural hair, whether you have relaxed hair or natural hair. It will help you. You can incorporate this whether you have lines za wig, or you're braided like I have braided. So tell me guys, what things do you incorporate in your braid care routine to make sure that your braids stay long and are well protected? We'd like to know. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you got a tip that you'll incorporate in your vacation season with your beautiful braids. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.